So today I'll be concluding the making of this white lovely fascinator. I know I said next week, but I decided why keep my subscribers waiting when they might want to make it soon, so I decided to get it done. Remember we stopped at where we made these three various pieces for the white fascinator? Before we dive in, I want to announce to you that this video is accompanied with a gift. Yes, a free fascinator training class of the fascinator shown on the flyer right now. To win this gift, you have to stay to the very end of the video to know how to participate. So we have our veil here, 5 by 18 inches if you remember. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to be pleating this veil like so. Just watch how I'm doing it. That's the way we do it. Can you see what I'm doing? Folding it like that. So we're going to continue. Take our rows and sew on top of that. Now the way you're going to be sewing your rows is not like how we sewed the other one. We're going to be sewing it all round so that it covers the sewing of the rows and it attaches firmly. the participation to win this free training of our Fascinator online training class 1. Now, all you need to do is type in capital letters, that's bold letters, in the comment section below this video. Type free Fascinator training, and you might be the one randomly selected from those who typed it in the right format to